Are you sensitive to criticism? Do you worry about what other people think or feel? Do you find yourself overwhelmed trying to work out how to please everybody that really matters to your success and happiness? Hi, I'm Cheryl Andrews. I'm founder of Step by Step Listening, and I felt exactly like that 10 years ago. But I'm pleased to let you know there's a way out. In a 3-step strategy here at Step by Step Listening, we'll help you to 1, stop and actually get clarity of what you want and what works for you. 2, we'll listen to what works and help you develop models to make sure you are absolutely confident in your decision and you understand how you're making a decision and how that impacts your life. We'll also look at how you perceive and interpret time and how that will help you to communicate to other people what you want and when you want it. And lastly, we'll help you to work out how you can plan it your best in a way that works for you and your mind. And lastly, if you still struggle to get the words out of your mouth to tell other people, we'll even teach you how to listen to criticism without reacting and responding. If you know right now that feeling where your stomach is churning and you're sick of telling that story, maybe you carry it around inside you. You try and do something and somebody else is upset, then if it's like I was, and many of my clients, you feel this in your head, you feel it in your body, and you tell that conversation, that story over and over and over again, and you feel like your life is slipping away because you're not doing what you really love, and you're spending more time telling a story that really drains you, then please do check out the resources page. There's a free clarity and confidence call there. You can book in to speak to me now, and we can find out what you need to do next. What's the #1 thing that you could do right now to give you the confidence to do more of what you love and ditch the critic that says you can't? Thanks for listening.